Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and then scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, you can click on Vibration right away under Sound Mode, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down. Now tap on Phone Ringtone. Click on Vibration section under SIM 1 and SIM 2. And select the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls by tapping on one of the available ones, like beat. You can also disable vibrations completely by selecting none. When you finished, go back, click on Message Tone, and select vibration patterns for your messages the same way. Then click on Notification Tone and do exactly the same. Lastly, scroll all the way down to access more settings and tap on those two switchers next to Vibrate when ringing and System Haptics to disable or enable those vibration options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!